Hello and welcome to another tutorial with Excel with Accelerate. So today we're going to be expanding on what we had earlier looked at, which is the hyperlinks. We had mentioned that you could insert hyperlinks in three ways: using the keyboard shortcut, using the right click button to get to links, and then going to the insert tab and going to link. Now we are going to be looking at way more than we looked at the first time, which is just inserting a web page and clicking on it, and it going to the web page which you have hyperlinked to a particular cell. So let's get to it. If we want to reference this link to this particular cell C6 to say South Sales cell A9, right? All we need to do is to come back to remodel costs, and then here we could use our Control K and then place in this document. Okay, now we're placing in this document and we're coming to South Sales. Remember, we said we're putting it in cell A9 of South Sales. So all I just need to do is to type the cell reference here, which is A9, and come here and pick South Sales. Okay. Now, if I say okay, anytime I click here, it takes me to cell A9. Okay. Now, now that we've done that, the next thing is for us to let's go back to that and say we want to insert a hyperlink of an email address, okay, and want to insert it in cell C7. We could put an email address there, mail to accelerate at gmail.com. Okay, and we could say screen tip. We'll just say this would mail to accelerate. Okay, and then we'll say okay. So when we say okay, right, it creates a hyperlink here, and you can see the screen tip saying mail to accelerate once we hover our mouse on that particular cell. And if we click that link, it takes us to the default mail app that we have on the system. Okay, and here you go. Okay, he opens this and say, oh, blah blah blah. So here you can just send up whatever mail you want to set up. Okay, now that we're done with that, when you see some workbooks and you see that they have table of contents, right? You could, with that, let's say we have, let's just quickly create a table of content here. Okay, then we'll say this is South Sales. Next we say this is SKU sales. Okay, so here we could easily just link this South Sales to the South Sales tab. So Control K, we say place in this document. I'm taking it to South Sales A1. Fine. And here Control K, and we'll say we're taking SKU sales A1 as well. Okay. So once we click this for SKU sales, it takes us here, and we come back here, and once we click this, it takes us here. Okay, you could also put here, have, for instance, say have here back, and then hyperlink it to remodel costs back to A1 as well. So once you click back here, it takes us back here instead. So this helps you when you have loads of spreadsheets in your workbook, okay, and you want to easily navigate from one particular tab to the other, okay. I hope you've been able to learn a couple of things on this tutorial session, and we hope you have liked it. Please follow us on all social media platforms at Accelerate, and we would really love to hear your feedback, because it is really important to us to develop our sessions for you. Okay, here is wishing you a pleasant weekend ahead, and hope to see you here next week Monday, where we bring you another Twitter edition of Excel with Accelerate, and on Friday, where we bring you the Telegram extended version of that particular tutorial. Take care and be good. Bye bye.